Hello friends, so this is demo video for the recent Chrome extension that I built. So what you have to do, you have to simply refresh this page, and now you can see that I have expanded all those connections. Since right now I am having only 2 connection requests, so you are seeing only 2 in this page. And then you just have to click on this Chrome extension. So after clicking on this, you can see that all the request got accepted. So main point is that I have also done one setting that setting will only activate this Chrome extension after clicking on here. So let me show this. So here I have done this setting that when you click the extension, then only this will activated. Just for my sake of just for the sake of simplicity, I have selected this setting. So you have to do upload this extension. You can download my code from GitHub. Then after upload this extension and make this setting, and then after simply click on this extension, and your all the connection request will get accepted.